Bridger Wildcats. Happy Monday. So today I want to make sure that I set a really good challenge for the week. And this is a week challenge because it's going to take all of us to make this happen. So the challenge is let's make sure 100% of our students have the technology that they need to get online and do distance learning with us. So that said, today kicks off the first day of Chromebook pickups with a new procedure. So the procedure is linked in the box below and in the email that we're sending or on PPS website. Look it through the information. But today, if your last name starts with an A through an M, it's your day. Let's go get some technology. Now, I know that the technology is only available for pickup between 9 and 4, and I know that that could be really hard for some families. And so I want you to reach out to me and email me or call me and let me know that that doesn't work for you, and I will go pick up the technology for you and we'll get it to you. So go ahead and connect with me if the 9 to 4 time is a challenge for you, and we will pick up the technology for you. All right, Bridger, I know we can do this. 100% of the students with technology online by Friday.
Buenos días, familias de Bridger. Es la subdirectora Rolero. Aquí para repetir algunos de los anuncios que dijo la directora. La meta de esta semana es 100% de nuestras familias conectadas y con tecnología. 100%. Y si se acuerdan, la semana pasada estaba dando esa computadora en diferentes locaciones y van a cambiar de plano un poquito esta semana. Ahora ya han preparado más, así que hoy, empezando hoy de 9 a 4, familias con el apellido que empiezan de la letra A hasta la letra M pueden ir a recoger sus computadoras. Y luego el martes van a ser para las otras familias de N a Z, de 9 a 4 en esas locaciones. Si no puede ir porque está trabajando o no tiene un modo de llegar ahí a la Franklin, por favor, déjanos saber, deja saber a sus maestros, a nosotros las directoras, para dejarnos saber y a ver si podemos arreglar para recogerla y a ver si nos podemos conectar para dársela. Así que, por favor, manda mensaje. Pero acuérdense, 100% de las familias es la meta. Y luego también hoy a las 6:30, hoy lunes, vamos a tener una reunión comunitaria en español. Así que en este email debe de estar un Google Meet link donde puede entrar a esa reunión. Así que, por favor, vengan, deja saber a sus familias que vamos a tener eso en español hoy para repetir esta información y compartir cómo están y a ver cómo nos podemos comunicar. Gracias y que tengan buen día.
Hello, Bridger family. It's Miss Leah, the kindergarten and first grade PE teacher, and I just was thinking about what's helping me feel healthy and well right now, and that is getting outside in ways that are safe. So we all live pretty close to a really special park, which is Mount Tabor. So I took my daughter Selah out to the park for a walk. We are being very careful to always give extra space when we pass other people. And we took some hand sanitizer with us because it's hard to wash your hands when you're out of the house, just in case we want to have a snack or if we touch something we think might make our hands dirty. So those are a few things we're doing to stay safe, but also coming out to enjoy being in nature. When I feel stressed or worried, it really helps me to get outside and be in nature. And I think a lot of us feel that way. So even if you can't come to Mount Tabor Park, you could just take a walk around your neighborhood and move your body. That's going to help you feel better. And being outside, and it's spring. There's a lot of flowers blooming right now. We might even see some pollinators on a day when it's sunny. There's a lot to check out, even just around your block, if that's the area that you can be outside in. So I encourage you to be on a walk as much as you can, maybe every day, if it's okay with your parents, to get out on a walk and enjoy being outside and just take some deep breaths and notice all the changes that are happening in your neighborhood because it's spring. And every day you might see a new flower, a new pollinator, and maybe get a chance to wave at a neighbor from a safe distance. So maybe we'll see you soon on one of our walks. Bye.
Good morning, Bridger. It's Monday, so it's time for birthday announcement. Buenos días a Bridger Wildcats. Hoy es lunes, entonces es tiempo para los anuncios de cumpleaños. Entonces, happy birthday to Ankita and Hannah in kindergarten. Feliz cumpleaños a Hannah y Ankita in kinder. Happy birthday to Saleh in first grade. Feliz cumpleaños Saleh in primero grado. Happy birthday in second grade to Emilio and Sylvie. Feliz cumpleaños Emilio y Sylvie in segundo. Happy birthday to Riker and Caitlin in third grade. In el tercer grado, feliz cumpleaños a Riker and Caitlin. And a happy birthday to Emilio in fourth grade. Feliz cumpleaños Emilio in cuarto grado. In sixth grade, we're wishing a happy birthday to Jada. Feliz cumpleaños Jada in sexto grado. Y en septo grado, in seventh grade, feliz cumpleaños a Haley. Happy birthday, Haley. And in eighth grade, octavo grado, feliz cumpleaños to Alan. Happy birthday, Alan. Wishing you all a very happy birthday. Hope you get to do something fun and exciting that brings you joy on your special day. Feliz cumpleaños a todos. Espero que todos puedan hacer algo muy divertido en su día especial. Happy birthday y adiós. Bye, everybody.